welcome to Creations by Kim. I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time around. I'm gonna play with some colored pencils, and I have this weird line progression picture in my head, and I was trying to figure out how to paint it, and then I saw my pencil sitting there and thought I would just draw it that way. It might be a little bit easier to control, and it'd be a different medium to work with. So anyway, well, sit back and enjoy, and let's see how this turns out. Well, there's my first pencil art. I think I'm going to stop there. I don't know why. Anyway, it kind of feels like it's full. If I think on it and I need to come back, I'll come back. But anyway, we're going to stop there. I'm not sure what it is. Either a timeline that progressively gets stronger and your influence grows over time, or it's a tree. And again, I guess you could go with the same concept of as you grow and a tree matures, you have more coverage and influence. I guess you could metaphorically go there with that too. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Oh, let me give you some close-ups here. All right, well, there you go. All right, again, let me know what you think. If you liked it, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more of my stuff, hit the subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever I post another video, then go ahead and hit that the bell and everything so you can get notifications when I post another video. Anyway, well, for now, I will let you go. Thanks again for joining me on Kreations by Kim. Bye.